Hello everyone, today I will be showing you child safety locks. Because sometimes my friends come over here with this twin brother. They're cute, but they get into everything. They climb on furniture, they open drawers, and they take everything out. My mom got the children's safety lock from Amazon, and they're great for toddler safety. This set comes with 2 catty anti-locks and 4-piece trap lock and 6-piece catches and latches set. Let me show you how this works. First, you peel this off. First, you put it this side, then you put it other side. If they try to open it, they can't open it. If you want to open it, pull it here and take it out. First, for the catches and latches, peel this off. First, you have to peel this off. Then stick it inside the dresser door. Stick it right here across the other piece. Then close it, it gets locked. See, it doesn't open. If you want to unlock the drawer, press it here and it opens. First, you measure the furniture to see how far it is from the wall. Put the mark over here. Peel the back. Then peel the under. Then stick to the wall. It sticks wall and furniture. This lock is great for lower cabinet doors because you don't want your toddler to get inside the cleaning items. This lock is great for dresser, bookshelf, other furniture, refrigerator, and oven door. If you like to buy this child safety lock set, link is down below. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.